Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and behind me, I have one of the nicest, if not the nicest M6 in the whole region. And we're gonna be doing some yellow DRLs. This might be the first in the world. If there's anyone else that has this mod, let me know. But this might be the first in the world. We're doing the yellow DRLs on this M6. Let's get to it. All right, everyone. So here's the M6 right here. And I will be doing a review on this car. So if y'all wondering like what's going on with this car, you have to stay tuned and subscribe for that. But today we're just gonna focus on the yellow DRL. So these cars come with the white LED lights. We're gonna switch these to the yellow. Everybody's doing with the yellow now off the M5 CS. So we're gonna make this to an M6 CS. All right, so it's gonna be very simple. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it right in here. First thing you wanna do is unplug the battery. Whenever you're doing anything electronic, or dealing with anything with the electronics, you want to unplug the battery. It's just a precautionary thing. And then also make sure you put something in your trunk so your trunk won't close on you. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you exactly what you got to pull off first. All right, so the first thing you want to do is be able to access the module, which is right here. So in order to do that, you're gonna have a bunch of these little push pins that you're gonna have to remove. So you have one right there, one right here, one right here, one right there. You got two up there. And then underneath this part right here, you got two right here. So once you remove all those push pins, you'll be able to pull this cover off, and then you'll gain access to the module right there. So let's go ahead and get to that. So here is the actual module cover. So you're gonna have to use a T20. There's 3 T20 screws right here in order to get underneath here. So you just gotta remove those, and then you'll be able to gain access to the module underneath. All right, everyone, so that is what the inside of the module there looks like. So what you gotta do now, there's 3 T15s, one right there, one right there, and one right there, that we're gonna have to remove, and then you'll pull this module out. All right, then once we get this pulled out, I'll bring you back and then be able to show you exactly what boards we have to remove and which ones we're going to be replacing them with. So that's what I'm about to do right now. All right, everyone, so this is the module right here. After you take out the 3 screws, you just pull it straight up and it comes right out. All right, so you're going to have these clips right here that you can remove. You just push down on it and then pull the actual plug out. You'll have one on both sides there. Then you'll have these 2, I think they're T15s, one right there, one right there, one on this side, one up there on this side that you'll have to remove. Then at that point, this does have a little bit of adhesive on the back of it, so you just got to take like a pick tool and kind of pry this board off. Definitely try not to break it. Just go from one side, pry, go from the other side, pry, and then you'll kind of hear it pull, pop right off. After you get this off, then you're just going to swap with the new boards, and then you'll be good to go. All right, everyone, so the new modules are in. So we already got them in. We got them screwed in. They do have 3M tape on the back. Peel that off, and you can put it right in right there. They don't look that much different from stock, but we're getting ready to cut the car on. You'll be able to see the lights come right on, and you'll be able to really see the difference on these. They fit perfectly, and then as you can see right here, they just slide. The module slides right back. Stock location, put your 3 screws in, and you're good to go. What we're gonna do right now is plug the battery back in and show you exactly what they look like powered on. All right, everybody, you can see the yellow LEDs are now on. Look at those bad boys. They look great on this wrap that is done on this car. Just kind of fits everything. Both sides working really good. And it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything secured, re-secured back up, and I'll come back and bring you some clips. We're gonna finish out this video. All right, everyone, so we had just finished installing the CS DRLs on this M6. So the yellow really looks good with this paint, and they just look menacing. especially with the lights off, you really get to see them pop. So if you're looking for these DRLs, I will be having them linked down below. The Europlug is where Rob got these from. This is his car. I'll be putting this Instagram up right there in case y'all want to follow this build. Yeah, man, we're gonna be doing a video on this car too, full review, so you guys can figure out all the mods, see all the mods, and see everything on this beautiful M6. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like this DIY, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.